drink milk.
Well, hi.
Nervous.
Are you?
And so it begins to tail the dragon. I'm fucking nervous. So we're going from Jersey to tail the dragon. So that's like what? 1700?
Like a bit under 12 hours, 750 miles?
And then so it'd be, oh look, a fox.
Oh shit. Look at that fella.
He really scavenging.
I gotta show you something.
Let's see it.
I know you don't really prepare. I over prepare.
I don't
everything.
prepare. I forgot my easy pass.
We're set. We got a Harbor Freight check.
This is a 2-day trip.
This is a 2-day trip, by the way. Got my whole toolbox. You know, food, drinks, other random stuff under there.
Damn, he really be right there. That's all right. Let's throw him a Pop-Tart.
How far have we gone since our last fill up? I don't know if you're gonna like it.
What?
149 miles.
No!
Yeah.
Fucking, okay. Here's the problem. Ooh, friend.
No free rides.
This thing, it's great when you start it up cold and then you get like good 14 AFRs, right? 14 to 1, 14.5 to 1 when you're cruising. You step on it, you get 12, right? When it gets into boost. Right now, I'm getting 10. And every time I start the car up hot, it drops. Like legit, like the last time I started up pretty hot and I got I maxed out the fucking AFM fucking AFR, whatever the fuck it is, AFR gauge. It was fucking maxed out to like 10. This shit sucked ass. Fucking bullshit. Alright, well, I'm all gassed up. Good old 9 gallons. Fuck, I'm not excited. What do we do, 9 hours so far?
Approximately.
And the fits are catching up.
I gotta add a quart.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
It drank that much?
I don't know if I just didn't fucking read it right before, or if it drank that much since we started, but I have been boosting it, so airdrop this shit.
Nothing like a Mazda Speed 3 that burns mad oil.
Nailed it. Look at that. Not a fucking drop on the valve cover.
I'm gonna bump into you. Yeah, alright. Fuck, I guess it's time to go.
We did not make it to tail the dragon in one go. Still got about, that's wrong. It's closer to 2 hours to get to like actual tail the dragon. Probably have to stop one more time for gas since David's really thirsty. But after that, it'll be unadulterated fun. Here I thought I was over preparing, bringing a whole ass toolbox.
I didn't think you were over prepared. I'm just under prepared.
No, I thought I over prepared.
Wow, look at what we driving.
What are you doing with that thing, David?
I'm just trying to make a little grommet so I don't have constant fucking brake bulbs. I decided to do it delete.
Yeah. Oops. Grommet delete.
Oh. Ah, we made it. I'm ready. Ready for a nap. Hi, Golly. You got him?
Yeah.
Tom said going through.
Evo wagon. Look at that.
That's pretty neat.
Yes, sir.
Yo, hold up. Does he have MSO through 01? This New Jersey boy pumping his own gas. A little noisy. Shit, man.
Oh, yeah. Jesus Christ.
It's ramen time. Oh, fucking Richard. Yeah.
I've been trying to chill out, just everything worked.
Yo, 4 guys and you can parallel park that car without turning it on.
My plan was to be swapping back here.
Oh, sounds like a fit.
Jolly B and KFC.
Oh,
They have a great.
it is a fit.
You can't go and catch it for shit. You gotta pay per cup of fucking.
Yeah, I can do it. It's wrong, it's the same shit.
I've got over 20 grand in parts. Yeah, Subarus are expensive.
I told you, powdered eggs, Kay.
Where's our what? Why is everyone doing midnight runs, yo?
CRZ.
Oh, they're all fired by now.
On the food. In a Prius. Oh, there he is. That's S2K. Drop gear. Oh, I was looking at them. Press you now?
Probably will.
Don't say that. I can't shut it off to put it in gear. Womp.
When you're taking a picture, you get the fuck out of the picture. I want you in the picture. Why did you get the fuck out? Damn, you do?
the fuck?
Nice.
Yo, I think I photobomb.
You can throw it on the ground. Oh, oh.
You know what's really hot though, and I already burnt myself a couple times, is this manifold. Holy shit! This is already broken. I'm gonna try and rip it off.
I'm gonna go check, make sure my car's fine.
Why did I just do that in the first place?
I don't know. You were so dead set on putting the filter on the engine. That's why.
Yeah, well, sometimes
Sometimes you gotta fuck up to realize you gotta do it right. I'm good. Good.
The hood. Hold that wood.
Yes, but I missed my oil pan.
This is why you run under trays.
sorry, everything's soaked in oil. I broke that. Does somebody have electrical tape? Ah, fuck.
I got duct tape.
Huh?
I got duct tape in
Good
the
enough.
car.
I just need to protect the power from hitting anything.
I got duct tape.
Huh?
I'll get duct tape.
I am. Thank you. I need a little more than that. Just give me like a. Sorry.
I wasn't really paying attention. I had something in my hand. You motherfucker!
Good.
Yo, and I was on this butt, like I couldn't really see nothing.
Donk.
He bothered me. He paused the last second. I'm like, what the hell? And then, oh shit!
I was in there, bro. I would have been in that bob.
I'm sorry.
I'm not in that bob.
Yeah, but I'm saying though, it's like more.
Oh, also, when it was in front of me, it was in the air. I was like,
You're like, oh.
I don't understand that it hit my front bumper and then I also ran it over with my tire. So it like,
Oh, it kicked it out.
yeah, because he hit it and then it kicked it up from him. And then it hit my front bumper and then I ran it over.
Oh, Jesus.
yo, he's yo, that's good.
I don't think he lost that much.
Oh, save the rest.
Oh, great, man. This fucker's coming.
Oh, shit. We gotta get the fuck out of here. Yeah, that's alright. We fixed it. Don't worry, sir.
We're good.
Literally just cleaned it up.
All right, we'll start packing up.
This is your oil, by the way.
Yep. So here we are. It got it off the road at least.
Yeah.
Able to bypass the fucking cooler, but kind of needs to come off now because it's just barely hanging on there. Zip ties.
Cool. I might just the bolts. I can't get them off by hand.
I got tools.
I can't get up in there with that stuff.
All right.
I put it on with my gun and just.
Oh. All right. Fair enough.
It's tied up.
So just I'll be last, right?
No.
Why?
Because then when you pull over, no one's gonna know till they look in the mirror and you're gone.
I'll just flash you.
What?
But I don't want anybody to get hit with an oil. That's my only thing. I don't want anybody to get hit.
Honestly,
Any of us.
honestly, I don't give a fuck.
You guys alright with that? Alright. This is gonna get it.